Today I will show you how to make this transparent effect in Photoshop. Image link in description. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Right-click and choose Rasterize Image. Change blend mode to screen. Go to Image menu. Adjustments. Desaturate. It will turn image to black and white. Again, go to Image menu. Adjustments. Levels. Follow the process. Choose Elliptical Marquee tool. Make selection like this. Click on Layer Mask icon. Hold Alt and drag the layer mask to copy. Press Ctrl I to inverse the layer mask. Open this image. Drag and drop it to main document. Convert it to Smart Object. Hold Shift and adjust image like this. Right-click and choose Warp. Adjust it accordingly.
To support my channel, you can use Super Thanks under the Every Videos or join channel membership.
Drag this layer to bottom. Create a Curves Adjustments layer. Hold Alt and clip mask it to bottom layer. Make image darker. Choose a soft round brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Follow the process. Create a new layer. Choose Water Splash Brush. Download link in description. Choose white color.